snow. The eye of the storm, the calling of you find for a while, but it's not to lose your try. He's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. You want to sing is gonna play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Alright. Alright, so once again, shout out to Sir Marshall Besa. Kuya Marshall Besa from Rowan Kainta. Yes, shout out sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite na naman muli.